Select the artboard of 1920 by 1080. Click the line segment tool. Holding shift drag to get a perfect line. Holding alt drag the another line. For few other duplicates, press Ctrl D. Select all and group them all. Right click and group. Place the object in the center. Right click and go to transform and rotate. Rotate to 90 degree and copy. Click on the ellipse tool. Holding shift and alt, drag the tool to create a perfect circle. Go to edit and copy the circle. Go to again edit and paste in place so that we get another circle. Holding shift and alt, drag the circle. Select them all. Go to shape builder tool. Click on the fill tool and click the color whichever you need it. Uncheck the outline color. Select the shape whichever you want to shade. Proceed with the following steps. Click on the magic wand tool. Select the lines which we have to delete. Delete the line. Select the object. Go to object. Click on expand. Check fill and stroke and press OK. Go to Pathfinder. Click on unite and unite them all. Drag the object to the bigger version. You will see the rotate circle. Rotate anti-clockwise holding shift. So this is the logo we have created. If you have any suggestion, please comment in the comment box. Thank you for watching.